update of my THC bomb and my unknown strain grow. Day 58 of flower. This is the THC bomb right here. And this will be the last day that you guys will be seeing her like this, because I will be chopping her down right along with this beauty over here. And let me tell you something, man, they started fox selling real crazy. This one right here, they're about ready to go. Probably give you guys another update of the final harvest. Man, they came out real good for my first grow. I ain't mad at myself. And I'm not gonna stop. Got these buttes right here coming up next. This one right here is the, I'm trying to focus this in here for y'all. But anyways, this is the Blackwater Rose. Just popped these seeds. This one's ready to go. And this one right here is the Tangerine Dream by Barney's Farm. And this one by Delicious Seeds. I only started these two because I think I got some Smurf berries coming my way, and I want to leave room for them. I'm getting a new tent. I'm upgrading everything. So I'm going to leave room for those seeds so I can pop them as soon as they get to me. So yeah, that should be exciting. And like I said, this will be my second round. And we see how we go from there. And I will keep you guys updated with this grow here. Peace out, y'all.